Is the Bitpink Minner app really a great way to get free crypto, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have recently asked me about this app. So I decided to take a closer look, and in this Bitpink review, I'll give you an inside look and share my opinion and experiences so you know exactly what to expect, and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join. And the Bitpink Minner, as you can see it's called, this is a little bit confusing. That's a whole other thing. The name there, like, I'm not sure if it was supposed to be miner because it is a free mining app, but it's called Bitpink Minner. So I don't know if that's a mistake or if it's on purpose or whatever. Like, I'm a little bit confused. Maybe it's just me, but if you have a better explanation for that, please just leave a comment below. This for me is just the first confusing thing about it. There are other confusing things about it, but I'll talk more about that as I log in. But for now, what you need to know is that it is an app that's only available for Android devices through Google Play. So if you have an iOS device, this is not for you. Then I do have a video about ways you can earn on an iOS device. I'll leave a link in the top corner for that. But as you can see, it says that it's the ultimate free app for cryptocurrency, stock market and finance enthusiasts, and you can mine these USDT cryptocurrencies for free and earn money like that. So I decided to put that to the test. Again, I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. So I'm always curious to test new sites, but I also know what to look for, what I like and what I don't like. So let me now log in and then we'll take a closer look at what I found. So I have now logged into the app, and as you can see here, there's just this big miner there, and then once in a while you need to click to recharge it, and then you need to click here to start mining. But the thing is, even before you open the app or when you open the app, there is an ad just popping up, and there are ads everywhere, and there's ads whatever you try to click. So that's one thing that you need to be aware of, something that is really gives just a terrible experience. But I'm assuming that's how they earn, but it's just to a such an extreme degree, because I have tested many apps where you can earn by doing different things, but just in general, the ones that have these pop-up ads everywhere and things like that, it's just really annoying, and this Bitpink does it to an extreme degree in my opinion. But anyways, I would need to click here to start mining, and then you can see then it would load an ad, and then I would start mining after that. But the thing is, that's another weird thing, is that these ads are not always loading, but sometimes ads are just popping up randomly. For example, when I needed to recharge here, before I needed to click to recharge this battery supposed to before you can earn, and then I had to watch an ad, and before even opening the app, then an ad comes up. But then when I need to actually click to start earning, then it says it's loading an ad, and it's not always working. So there are so many things that are just really not working well with this app here. So exactly how much you can earn is actually unclear, because there's just so many things that pop up and doesn't work, and you can even see in the background here the so-called recharge one that goes down super quickly, but I don't earn anything from it, just have to watch ads to do it, and then the ad doesn't load here, and I can click here again, and then nothing really happens there. So it's really unclear exactly how much you earn. And this whole thing about the explain on the app page I showed you before, that it's the ultimate free app for cryptocurrency, stock market and finance enthusiasts. Like, I really don't see that. There's a lot of pop-up ads, and the earning method doesn't really work well. So, not a good experience in my opinion. But let's also talk about how you potentially can then get paid if you manage to actually earn in here and are patient enough to make that work. I just jumped to the withdrawal section, and again you can see there are ads popping up everywhere, and with a big start button. And this is again something that I really don't like about the usability, because you have this start and you might just click it, but it's just an ad made like that to make you click so they earn money like that. Really terrible user experience. But anyways, you can see you need these 2000 USDT, and then you can withdraw, but there's no more information about the value of that and where can you withdraw it to and how much do you earn by doing the different things. So overall, just really terrible information here. And now you can see, now I'm trying to get out, and then it says here loading an ad that is actually just loading here in the background, popping up while this here is still there, and then I need to click it to close everything. It's just ads everywhere, but earnings I don't really see any of. Maybe you have made it work. I would not suggest, if you're not already using it, I'm not suggesting that you actually do, but if you have already done it, please share below where you're actually able to get it to start mining for you. Were you actually able to start earning? How much would you then earn by doing it? Just please share below. But personally, I have tested hundreds of apps and earning apps and also ways to earn crypto for free. And when you have this terrible experience, it's just a waste of time. I know a ton of different platforms that are more user-friendly, and then I would just focus on those instead. So to sum it all up, I think Bitpink is not a good app. It's not one that I would be using anymore. There are just nothing it's got going for it because there's just all these annoying ads, so many things that are not clear. In my personal opinion, a waste of time. Again, you can decide for yourself. I just showed you why it's a waste of time in my opinion, and based on my experiences after I've tested hundreds of different ways to earn online, and then you can decide for yourself. But if you're looking for free crypto miners, then I do have a list on my website of platforms that in my opinion are way more user-friendly, where I know you can actually earn. So I'll leave a link to that below so you can check that out. And if you're in general just interested in free ways to earn some extra money, I do have a free email course where you over several days will get some tips and tricks about how to get the most out of the hundreds of different methods that I have tested, so you can easily get started earning online and optimize your online side income. So you can check that out below also. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.